Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2021 or Microsoft Office 365 in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To download genuine and 100% activated Microsoft Office, first of all, create a folder, open File Explorer, create a folder in any drive. I'm giving the name Office, open the folder, and now minimize File Explorer. Now go to your browser. In browser search box, type Office Customization Tool and then hit enter. Click on the first link, Office Customization Tool. First of all, you have to select which architecture do you want to deploy. I am using 64-bit. Now scroll down. You have to select your Office source. Click on the drop down here. And I am selecting Office Long Time Service Customization Professional Plus 2021 Volume Licensing. Selected. Now skip other options here. Then here you have to select the language. Click on the drop down here and select primary language. Click here and just click on match operating system and then skip all other options. Just click on export. Here you have to select Office Open XML format and then click on OK. Now you have to accept the license agreement. Click on the checkbox. Default file name is configuration and you can change the file name as you wish. I'm not changing it. Click on export. The XML file has been downloaded. Click on show in folder here and just cut the file and paste the file in your folder you created earlier. I'm pasting the file here. Okay. Again, go to your browser. Now in search box type Microsoft Office Deployment Tool and then hit enter. The first link, download Office Deployment Tool from official. Just click on the link here. Now scroll down and select language. By default English is selected and click on download here. Now click on show in folder. Just cut the file and paste it in the same folder you have created earlier. Now you need to install this Office Deployment Tool. Just right click and click on Run as Administrator. Click on the checkbox to accept Microsoft Software Licensing Term and now click on Continue. You have to select where you want to extract these files. You have to select the same location here. You have created the folder earlier. This is my folder Office, this one. Select it and click on OK. And now files are extracted successfully. You can double click on this setup to set up Microsoft Office, or you can do these things by using command prompt. I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Office using command prompt. Just click on the address bar here and type cmd and then hit enter, and command prompt has been opened in the same location D and then Office folder. Look, this is my D drive and Office folder, and I have opened command prompt in the same location. Type the command. I'm copying the command and paste the command setup.exe, this file, and then slash configuration configure, and then the XML file name, this one, configuration.xml. I will give you the command in description. Now hit enter. Getting things ready to install. It will take a little more time. Office is installed now. Now click on close. Now almost everything done. Now click on start menu. Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and other Microsoft Office tools, OneNote, Microsoft Publisher, Access, Excel, all has been installed in my computer. Now I'm going to open Microsoft Word. Click on blank document. Now click on accept license agreement. Click on next. Click on no, I don't send optional data, and then click on accept. Click on done. Microsoft Office 2021. Microsoft Office has been successfully downloaded and installed on my computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.